Good morning, children. On that day, we have completed about the heart. Okay, the diagram that heart has four chambers, two auricles, and two ventricles. Right atrium and right ventricle, then left atrium and left ventricles. Okay, so we have to always remember that the human or the mammals have a four-chambered heart. Now I told you that I have colored with the two different colors. One is red and one is blue. So the red shows you which blood is flowing here, the oxygenated blood, and the blue here shows that the deoxygenated blood is carried by the veins. Clear till here? On that day we have done about the heart, that how the blood flows. The deoxygenated blood flows in the right atrium. Through this it goes to the right ventricle, and that too carried by the pulmonary arteries. Okay. And secondly, the oxygenated blood, it is in the left side of the heart. From the left atrium it goes to the left ventricle, and from this it comes to the body. Okay, so till here I think you have no doubt. So next topic today we are going to start is another one more fluid called the lymph. So first of all, let's start. What is lymphatic system? Okay, so lymphatic, it consists of lymph, which is a yellow colored fluid. Okay, and it consists of lymph vessels and lymph node. Now we will understand what is lymph vessels and lymph node. So lymph, when the blood reaches the capillaries, what were the capillaries? Where the arteries and veins meet together. Okay, some water and dissolved solutes filtered out from plasma. What was plasma? It was in the blood into tissue space to form tissue fluid called lymph. So this is the important definition you should learn. Then what is a lymph vessel? That means the tiny channels through which the lymph or that fluid enters is called the lymph vessel. Then lymph node, a small masses of lymphatic tissues. Okay, so these all together form a lymphatic system. Clear? And even the lymph, it also works as the function is, or you can say the vital role is, it defends our body from the microorganisms. Then see the another topic, heartbeat and pulse. Now when you put your hand on the left side of the chest, you will see the sound of lub dub. That means we can feel when we press that something is throbbing inside in our body. So that rhythmic contraction of heart muscles, or we can say the cardiac muscles, are called the heartbeat. Then pulse, whenever you have something, you have fever, you're not well, when you go to doctor, what the doctor does, he used to take your wrist, and with the fingers he used to see whether the pulse rate are normal or not. Okay, so a rhythmical throbbing of arteries as a blood is propelled through them is called pulse. That means the blood, is it how in our body it is propelled to our body, is called a pulse. And even you have seen that even we also, when we touch our wrist with the fingers, we see that something tick tick tick. In this way we feel something. So what is that? That is a pulse. Okay. Okay, so children, that was the last topic, heartbeat and pulse. Till here, if you have any doubt, any queries, kindly do message. Okay, next we'll come to exercise, page number 9. Fill in the blanks. Shape of RBC is biconcave. White blood cells are with nuclei. Blood cells which protect the body from disease are WBC. Blood cells which are responsible for clotting of blood are platelets. See a little bit spelling mistake. The finest of all blood vessels are arteries. The color of RBC is due to pigment called hemoglobin. Arteries are the vessels which carry blood away from the heart, and veins, they take blood towards the heart. Oxygenated blood flows in left side of the heart and the deoxygenated blood on the right side of the heart. The liquid part of the blood is called plasma. Blood fluid is connective tissue. So this is the class work that you will be doing in your book as well as in the copy, and see the true and false. This is your homework. This also you will do it in book as well as in copy. Okay, and from the question answers, page number 10, you will be doing what is the function of pulmonary artery and vein, and one more, what is lymph, how it is different from blood. Okay, till here you will be doing it in your copy. And one more thing, that you will be drawing the diagram of heart, either the section 1 or this one, the external view, any one you will be drawing in your copy with beautifully, that too in beautiful color, and with the labeling should be properly done with the help of scale. Clear?